Data frames are basically most important data structures. So data frame is a matrix-like structure in which there are different columns present and that can have elements of different data classes. Data frame is just similar to SAS, SPSS and Excel data sets. Now if you want to create your own data set, the function to create that in R is data.frame. Right? So suppose right now I want to create a data frame called BMI. So I just need to write data.frame and in bracket I need to pass on the variables as arguments. Like for example, there is a vector called gender which consists of males, female, vector called height which consists of height of those males and females and weight of those males and females, and the last argument is a age of male and female. Right? Let's just quickly open RStudio so that you can get a view of how an RStudio looks like. So this is your RStudio. Whatever you write here, for example, x is equal to 2, this is called R script, and you execute this using control enter. Let me just first clear this so that you can view it clearly. Yeah, so once I execute this x is equal to 2, an object is created here, right? And x has value of 2. So this is called R script. This is your R console. This tab consists of all the objects which you create in R. And now suppose I want help regarding a particular function. So I want to understand how to run a linear regression in R. So in order to get a documentation of a linear regression, how to do it in R, you can just write question mark LM. LM stands for linear model. Press Control Enter, which is a shortcut to execute the command. It will open a window like this, and it will consist of the how to write LM function, what are different arguments presented, and details of those arguments, right? So this is how an R console looks like. So in the next session, we will discuss how to create a vector, matrices, functions, etc. in R.